Hey guys, Dave Neroni here. Hope you had an awesome season on the water. Today we're going to show you how to clean your personal watercraft with the brand new XPS cleaning products. Let's get started. Let's start with the XPS Marine All-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser. This is for heavy jobs above the deck and all engine components. Make sure to cover non-sealed electronic components. You spray the product on, use a soft brush if the dirt is stubborn, and then wipe off with a dry or wet cloth. Step 2 is using the XPS Hull Cleaner. This is for those heavy jobs below the waterline. Treat one section at a time, allow 2 to 4 minutes for it to work, and then rinse right away. You want to use gloves for this step. Step 3 is where things get fun, and that's the XPS Wash and Wax. Mix 30 mils of cleaner for every 4 liters of water used. Scrub everywhere, wash, just make it look good. Step 4 is the UV protectant. You're going to spray this everywhere except the seat unless you want to slip slide it around. Allow 5 minutes for the product to penetrate, wipe off the excess, and then allow 1 to 2 hours for drying to be complete. Step 5 is using the XPS Spray Wax and Polymer. This goes everywhere except the seat to protect everything. Spray it on, wipe it off. You're basically done unless you have a Scottish mother like me. And then you're going to need step 6, which is the XPS Multi-Surface and Glass Cleaner. This goes on your steering, dashboards, and lights. Again, not on the seat. And basically, it's just going to make it look sparkly. Well, there you go, guys. Check out the XPS Care cleaning products at a dealer near you. Simple, effective, and clean. We'll see you out on the water.